What's up guys and welcome to the video. Today I'm just going to go through a few steps on how to set up a multi-level drop-down menu in your Shopify store. This video guide will also apply to all Shopify themes and not just our own here Clean Canvas, so depending on what theme you're using, it might look a little bit different to what I'm going to show you in the video, but not to worry. So if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing, because like this content, we'll be putting out more future content each week, which we hope will help you elevate your store to the next level. Now with all that being said, let's just get into the video. Alright guys, we're just going to show you my current setup on my demo store. So I'm using Symmetry for this demo. So my theme may not look exactly the same how yours is set up, but don't worry, this is still going to be the same premise and should work. So I have two options here. I have a double layer drop down, which is very nice and quick to create, and I'm going to show you that first, and then I'm going to go on to showing you how to create the multi-layer drop down menu. So what I mean by that is, here you can see multi-layer. I can see I have these 4 headings. So say for example, if I was to put these as, you know, boys, girls, children, etc., and then inside you can have the links to the products or collections that reflect only those things. Now for the demo, I'm not going to go that deep. I'm just mainly going to show you how to create these, but this is just to give you a little idea on how you can start thinking about setting up your menu. So alright guys, I'm going to jump into the navigation now and show you how you can create a double drop down layer first. So here we are in the admin, and this is where we're going to start and pretty much be playing around with for the most of this video. So head over to online store and navigation on the left, and then you're going to be greeted probably with the same kind of layout I have here, main menu and footer. If you aren't, it might have meant that you deleted them a while ago, but don't worry, you can add them new ones in here by clicking add menu and set it up there. But for here, I'm going to just work on my main menu. So here we go. I'm just going to close that. So looking at it like this, it doesn't look too terrifying, and even though when I start opening up these things, you might start like a little bit of panic, but don't worry, I'm going to go through each one nice and slow, and hopefully by the end you'll be able to do it all on your own. So I have home, double layer drop down, and the multi-layer drop down. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3. If I go to my main website, you have it here, 1, 2, 3. So double layer drop down we're going to create first. So let's just go here and click add menu, and I'm going to call it DL2, double layer number 2. Here you can select a link. Some themes will give people the option that they can have these headings linked to other pages, and some themes don't have this. Ideally I don't think they should, but if they do, here is where you can control it. So I'm just going to set mine to home page, because I have to select a link here, I can't just leave it blank. So I'm just going to select home page. So now I've selected home page. If I was to save right now, this is how my menu would look. So I'm just refreshing the page, and you can see I have the drop down here. What I was saying there, if I click on this, it's not going to bring me anywhere. It's mainly used for opening and closing the drop down on a click if I want. It's also set on a hover effect, so I don't even have to click anything. But if I click it, it'll close. So that's one of the features with Symmetry. So here you can see DL2 at the bottom, but I don't have any drop down menus. That's because I haven't added any. So how do I do that? So here I have the DL2. I'm going to click add menu item. And here's a little trick for you guys that I find really cool. Instead of giving it a name first, if you know you're going to be naming it after the link, click on the link first and select products. And let's say I want it to be called Ask Him Duffel Bag. It's going to automatically put that name in there for me, so it saves me a little bit of time, which is going to make this video really fast. So I've clicked add link, and now we can see it's put under DL2. Now it's not a drop down yet. If I was to save and watch, it would just appear on the menu next to it. So I want it to be a drop down. So I'm going to grab it here, and you're going to press down and hold for a little bit. And when you do, you see you kind of like, you can move it around a bit. And there's a little circle off to the left of the edge. You can see it's kind of touching the corner. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag my mouse to the right underneath DL2, and you can see the circle is kind of moved over as well, creating a kind of stair effect. So if I drag and just let go right now, boom, that has created like a stairway effect. And now Ask Him Duffel Bag is now going to be under DL2. So from here I can add in more options as well. So I'm going to add one more. I'm going to add a collection, and I'm going to add the all products collection, and I click add. So if I save right now, these two are now a double layer drop down of this. So if I go to my main website and refresh, you can see there's an arrow here now. If I hover over DL2, I can see the 2 products are there now. So that is how you create a double layer dropdown. We're going to go now and create a multi-layer dropdown. So I'll be right back in a sec. Alright guys, now we're going to go create a multi-layer dropdown. And we're going to do it off of DL2 actually, just to save some time. So you're pretty much going to, what I'm going to do now is be my heading, and inside the duffel bag I'm going to have my links. So what do I mean by that? So let's just say all products here, I want this to be not a heading, but I want it to be part of the Ask Him duffel bag. So if I grab and just pull it to the right and drop, you can see now you have like a triple layer kind of stair thing going on. So the DL2 has now got the Ask Him duffel bag as a heading, and now the Ask Him duffel bag now has all products as the clickable item in the menu. So now it's pretty much simple to add more here. So if I click here and I click add another one, I'll add one more link. Now that's my multi-layer drop down created. So if I click save right now, and if I refresh this page, DL2 should now have a multi-layer effect. It does. So now it has the Ask Him duffel bag as a heading, and then the all products and size chart is now the multi-layer. Now I want to just show you as well, just to make sure, how you can add more options. Pretty simple. So if I go here, add a menu item to DL2 instead of this plus, because this is kind of falling under here, it knows I want to add it here. So I click, I'm going to add a product. Let's do the Ask Him duffel. No, actually I won't do Ask Him duffel bag because I already have a heading called that. So I'm just going to go kayak collection. I click add. There we go. Oh, I need to change the name of that actually. There we go. So you can see here the kayak collection. I can add another heading here. So if I click add menu item, this is going to be another heading. Click pages, size chart, click add. Now I have 3 headings, but let's say I want to have size chart inside of kayak collection. I'm just going to grab on it, pull it to the right, and there we go. I can even grab this and put it underneath Ask Him duffel bag at the top as well. You can like pull these up and down the page until you have it right, but I want to keep it in the kayak collection. So I'm just going to add it here. There we go. Now if I click save and I refresh my page, there we go. We have the 2 headings there as well. So now one more thing I want to show you guys is how you can filter a collection in your main menu to only show specific products that have specific tags. This is a really cool feature that not a lot of people know about, so I'm going to go through that now in this next part of the video. Alright guys, very quickly I'm going to show you how you can filter the collections in your main menu. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add one more menu item, which I know is a collection I've created, and it's got all my products in it pretty much, so all products too. And here I have this option that says filter based on a tag. Now I just want to show you how it looks first. So I click save, I go to my website, it's just taking a second to load, and if I go to here I see all products 2 appearing, and if I click on all products I'm going to see all my products. But let's say I want to only show products that have a specific tag. So if I go back here and I go to edit, I can put in that tag here. So I only want to see products that have the tag bag or bags. And I click apply changes. And if I click save, I go back to my website and I refresh it. And I go to my menu, which before was showing all products. Now it's only going to show the 1 bag product. So that's how you can set up a filter option in your main menu with a collection. So yeah, that was my last little tip for you guys, and I hope that was a cool one that hopefully will help you do stuff with your store. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. If it was, please do give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel, because we'll be coming out with more content in the near future that we feel will help you set up your stores and get the best available content from them. If you have any comments or questions about anything that I went over in this video, please drop them in the comment section below. Myself or someone from the YouTube community will definitely help you out. And also, if you want to check out our website, we'll have some documentation explaining most of the things that were discussed in this video. So that's also going to be linked below in the description. But for now guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you have yourselves all a great day.